One of my sweet supporters requested me recreate this look. It was on my IG stories, but IG deleted it. Apparently I do too many stories. Let's do this look. We're gonna start with an eyeshadow base that's a little bit lighter than our natural skin tone. That's gonna help these colors show up as true as they are in the pan. This palette is beautiful. It's a spicy price, but these are beautiful shadows. The shadow's on one side of the brush. We're gonna take that and we're just gonna go ahead and press it into the crease and over this way. Let's build that up a little bit more. Same shadow on the tip of the brush. Now I'm going to tilt my head back and press it towards the inner part of the eye. If you're new here, you might notice I do a lot of tapping instead of swiping. You actually have a lot more control with tapping. Also, if you're new here, welcome. I'm Rose and I just like playing in makeup. Have you ever wondered, how do I use that red in my palette? Try using it to really warm up and add red to your browns. It makes such a difference. Build that red up some more, and I'm gonna start to really soften and transition it towards the brow. Now we'll grab this shade and this shade, press it on the outer part of the eye. Then I flip the brush and I press what's left into the socket. Micellar water to clean up the edge. Now we're gonna grab some white eyeshadow base. I want this eyeshadow to look just like it does in the pan on my lid. White eyeshadow base is gonna make this as true as it is here. This is not a cut crease, so don't worry about it being perfect through there. Doesn't have to look perfect, just make sure it's nice and smooth and evened out on the lid. Let's load this color up on our brush. We're gonna grab quite a bit of it. We're gonna press that onto the lid. Look at that beautiful blue. YouTube taught us that fallout is bad, but remember, I just loaded up my brush. There was a lot of product on here. I wanted to make sure that I smoothed it across that tacky eyeshadow base very quickly. That means no creasing later. I feel like nobody talks about transitioning the lid, but it makes all the difference. Now, I definitely did a wing. The lashes I'm wearing in that picture were discontinued. But these are almost identical, and you know what? The lash band's more comfortable. Black liner on top and bottom waterline. Finish my face. Now we can finish the eye. Let's extend the inner corner. And then I just did a thin line of black liner on the bottom lash line. I did a whisper of this Carla Cosmetics pigment on the inner corner. The lip in that video is discontinued, but this one is not. And here is the end of our makeup journey. This is actually one of my favorite looks that I've ever done. It was nice to recreate it. So here's a closer look. Thanks for watching, y'all. Love you.